Alright, this is Calibos, and we are playing Antimatter Chemistry. Oh, I don't remember what we were doing. It's been a couple of days now. I do remember that we have finished the first chapter, and we had just done these. Now we need aluminum oxide, magnesium oxide, and potassium chloride. Meanwhile, potatoes. So I need dirt. And I'm looking at gravel. Before I make gravel. So silicon dioxide. So let's actually move that, lock the recipe. Take this, that, lock that recipe. So I'm pretty excited about this concept because I thought this was going to be a lot harder than it turned out to be. Right. So one of the cool things about being able to lock this, take one of the hoppers that I have somewhere. Hopper. Take this hopper, like our silicon dioxide. This should just go ahead and continue to pump gravel out. Now the reason that gravel is cool, you know, not just the fact that it's gravel. Go ahead and so take that, and we'll take that. Now, I have no idea if this works, because I haven't tried it yet. You're watching me try it for the first time. Coarse dirt. Boom, coarse dirt. Take the coarse dirt. Boom, regular dirt. I know, right? It's a lot easier than doing the weird science method of like making a bunch of stuff. I don't even remember why this works. I do remember that it's vanilla though. But this will allow us to basically make as much dirt as we kind of feel like making. Which will allow us to improve our farming capabilities. Oh, weird. For a second there, I thought I was like... I'm going to be perfectly honest and admit there's only so much that I can get with that hoe at the same time. I remember seeing somebody using a mechanical user and automating this. Basically, have the mechanical user set up an autocrafter. Then you set up a block placer. Then you set up a mechanical user. And it's this whole complicated process. Stone hoe. This will give us just great quantity of dirt much faster than finer. I think the recipe is like a 3-step recipe or some nonsense. So one of the things that I'd like to do in this episode is I have no idea if mobs can spawn. I have not seen any. Take 2 so that we can always make more. But this will give us as much carbon and as much rubber. This is an infinite source of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Not that we need a lot of hydrogen. I think we can also burn hydrogen as fuel. What is this? This is iron. So now that we've got that, so let's look at our aluminum oxide here. So we need aluminum. Oh, we'll unlock the recipe. Oh, we can make smooth stone. Nice. That's gonna save us some time. So we can make blocks of quartz, nether quartz, sand, stone, cobblestone, granite. One of the reasons that granite is cool because there was a we can get all sorts of interesting things out of granite. Huh. Good to know. Chuck all that in there and there and that and there. Trying to eat. Alright, there we go. So it totally has a thing where if you try enough different stuff, you gain oxide. So potassium. So we have the potatoes, and I do believe that when we break the potatoes down, get any? Well, that solver. Oh, we've only got a 10% chance. Oh, whatever. Guess it's free anyway. So let's get a lot of potatoes going. Bone that down, cellulose and starch. Come on, potatoes, grow. Grow! Not sure exactly how we want. All right. Definitely need to get some sort of pumps and automate this a lot. Does this have Buildcraft, I wonder? Let's look at under IO. Under IO, nope. Craft, nope. Industrial foregoing. What about a for pump? So we need buckets of lava. Frames, indium, scandium, in like glass. Any glass, okay. Fascinating, but we get so much stuff out of water. There really is a lot of stuff in water. So I shouldn't be that surprised. That gives us more on gross. Yeah, we needed potassium chloride. So it is the potassium chloride that we need. We'll just kind of like we have. Need 80, and that gives us blocks of coal. The magnesium oxide. So that's just one of each. Aluminum oxide is 2 aluminum and 3 oxygen. Oxygen's not going to be. We'll need 160. Don't have enough. At least we're getting good iron out of it. So let's see if we have 80 magnesium up there. Throw that down and right there. Okay, let's experiment to see if I was right about the hydrogen. Not sure. Yep, absolutely. Hydrogen works. RF. So it doesn't really produce a lot of power, but it produces power. Okay. Actually, part. Some hydrogen in here. There we go. Fast. Okay, so we have that. Our next goal, kind of working it. That should actually give us enough magnesium. Make one more. Right. Now we should have enough. So 80, 64, and go. Grab some oxygen. Oh, full stack. Now we're gonna throw down for magnesium oxide. Okay, so that. And just a matter of waiting for a quest down the road. So I thought that there was a way to automate this a little bit. That gives us this. Aluminum oxide. So I have a feeling we're going to need this. So let's put it here. Magnesium oxide. Now we need the aluminum oxide. Potassium chloride. The lot of aluminum. Got any aluminum that time. Okay, so let's look for a faster way to get aluminum. To green. Have these. Yep, we do. Okay, assuming. Assuming we want aluminum. Black antimatter is the way we want to go. So black antimatter, just made some. It's like coal with black carbon. Right. Gonna need a lot more of that. Got 87. Let's take a minute. Perfect. Man, this is getting further and further away. And I still think that the only use for light gray antimatter is the chemical dissolver. Yeah. So at least it gives us a couple of things. And break that down straight into raw whatever. We'll end up with more. It gives us more carbon and have a location for silicon yet. What is 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, so we're going to call it here. It's clearly going to take me a minute to get enough stuff together anyway for the last quest. So I'm gonna work on that between episodes. I'm gonna start harvesting just giant quantities of stuff. Try and figure out how to automate my water. So I'm gonna look at some of the options. I'm not gonna build anything until we're on camera. But I am gonna at least see what I can do going all the way down. Why would I do it? So I hope you liked this episode. I know that so far I'm enjoying the series a lot, but again, I like the beginnings of series more than I like the end when it's sort of weird. I guess. I don't know, maybe. So I'm actually recording this extra in advance. So I have already recorded the week's episode. Called. I don't know. It's early. It's very early. I haven't seen anything. But I hope you liked the episode. If you did, leave me a like. If you didn't, don't. Simple as that. Questions, comments, concerns can all go below. You guys are fantastic, amazing, and all of that. Have a good night.